A school has an art club, a drama club, and a cooking club. The ratio of the number of students in these clubs is given. So we have art club to drama, which is 7 to 13, and cooking club to art club is 5 to 14. There are 130 students in drama. No students are in more than one club. How many students are in cooking club? All right. So we're working with quite a few ratios here. So first one is art to drama, 7 to 13. Next one is cooking to art, 5 to 14. All right, so ultimately we're going to want to set up the ratios comparing all three of them. So I would like to start comparing, so our art one can be in our center. So I would like to set up our ratios as cooking compared to art compared to drama. So if we're comparing these, I want to get art to have the same number in our ratio so they can kind of be equivalent. So if we have 14 in art club compared to cooking, I want to get our art to drama to be 14. What do I do to 7 to get 14? I multiply by 2. So same thing for drama. Is 26. So now we can compare all three ratios together. So cooking is 5 to 14 in art, just as art is 14 to 26. So that's my ratio comparing all three clubs. So again, I just changed my art to drama ratio to match my number of students in art to cooking. So I'm going to write it up here so I have more space. Okay, so I want to get, there's 130 students in drama. So I want to get my 26 to 130. I don't know if 26 can go into 130 just off the top of my head, so I would rather scale down to scale forward. I'd like to get this number. Actually, let's see if 26 goes into 130. I have a feeling that it does just because of how these OSTs work. Let's go ahead and add up our 26s. 26 and 26. 6 and 6 is 2, carry our 1, that's 52. Add another 26, 8, 7. We're going to add another 26, 8 and 6 is 14, carry our 1, it's 104. We're going to add another 26, 130. Would you look at that? The OST questions always, you have to do a little bit of work, but they're usually pretty equal in their multiplication and division. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 26. 26 times 5 is 130. So each of these different columns, we're going to go ahead and multiply by 5. What you do on one side, you got to do to the other side. Even though there's 3 in this case, we're going to multiply by 5. So we have 14 times 5. 10, 4, and 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 4 is 20. Add up these two values. You get 70. Last one, 5 times 5, that's mental math, 25. So our final ratio is 25 to 70 to 130. So what's our original question asking? How many students are in cooking club? Our cooking club column has 25 students. So that is our answer. 25 students.